Greetings, my name is Dennis Daniels, and this is a basic screen grab process to create presentations. I'm going to be using the keyboard a lot. Keyboard will speed you up. Keyboard will set you free. Please use the keyboard if you know what I mean. Spacebar. It's always the same. All applications handle images in an XP or Windows or Linux or Macintosh environment. It's almost always going to be the same. You have a print screen, then you have a paste. The print screen goes into the memory, and then the paste takes the image out of the memory and puts it onto a different application. Your word processing application, spreadsheets, your graphics applications, they all handle images and pasting the same way. Let me show you what I mean. Print screen, it's usually on the right hand side of your keyboard. I can't show it to you unfortunately, but on my Dell keyboard it is the third button on the right, from the right rather, on the right hand side, top corner. Let's go ahead and do a demonstration of that. I've got Google Earth loaded. I love Google Earth. Let's go ahead and do a print screen of, I'll just add, let's go ahead and show you my place mark, or I'll show you how to do a place mark, or you know what, let's do a measuring tool. So measure, print screen. You hear that? I just hit the print screen button. I Alt Tab. I'll show you. Alt Tab. There I am between applications. So I've Alt Tabbed between Google Earth. Alt Tab back. If I hold down the Alt key, I can cycle through by hitting the Tab key one at a time, and then get to the place where I need to be, which is right there. I'm going to hit the Escape key so I can go back to my presentation. With Microsoft PowerPoint, Ctrl M will create a new slide. See that? If I delete it, they will go away. Delete, delete. Now, I'm in outline mode. I like outline mode, so I'm just going to hit Ctrl V, and it pastes right on top. So, I've done that. I go ahead and throw a Ctrl S in to save, because I'm always paranoid that way. Now I Alt Tab back again. Alt Tab. Now I just pasted. Ctrl M to create a new slide. Ctrl V. That's the paste. And now I go back to Alt Tab. So Alt Tab back, and we'll repeat it again. Print screen. Actually, let's print screen of something that's useful. Ctrl 6, I click on that. There's my print screen. Print screen on that. I Alt Tab back. Escape. Now go down. Ctrl M, or Enter. Ctrl M. I'll go ahead and show you again. Ctrl M creates slides. Now I'm going to Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl V to paste. And Alt Tab back to my application. Let's go ahead and we'll do a length. I click on this. Let's see how long the United States is. Click over there to over there. It's approximately print screen. Let's go ahead and do that because we've learned something here. Control M, Control V, Control S, Alt Tab. Now let's go ahead and clear the line, and we'll do another one. Let's do another one. I have to close this, move the planet, move the Earth a little bit. I'm going to guess, let's do another one. Tools, measure. Let's do it in kilometers this time. Oh, let's see that. I'll do a print screen of that. Print screen, Alt Tab, Control M, Control V, Control S to save. Alt Tab. Now let's do our line. That's about New York right there, and that's about Paris right there. So New York, Paris is 6,291 kilometers, or 3,909 miles. Print screen, Alt Tab, Control M, Control V, Control S. There it is. These are the important keys to know, and it's always going to be the same, more or less. F5 to start the presentation. Basic screen grab, always the same. Print screen, Alt Tab to switch between the application, in this case PowerPoint. Control V, I just pasted it, we can't see that. There's Control M to create a new slide, Control V, and then we should have a screen grab on the next page. Now, Alt Tab to switch between applications, and it just cycles along. So you can quickly create screen grabs, quickly create presentations of screen grabs. I want to thank you for your time, and I welcome you to send me an email if this has all helped you. Thank you for your time, and happy computing.